Hey guys, so today I have a neck and back seat cushion massager to show you that will allow you to bring the spa to your home, office, or car. Alright, so this is the Naipo Shiatsu seat cushion massager featuring heat and vibration for your neck, back, hips, and thighs. The 3D Shiatsu kneading is designed to imitate a human massage touch. There are 8 rolling massage nodes that can be adjusted up and down, and there's an optional heat function as well. This massage cushion has a handheld control with its own resting pocket right here. It offers 3 levels of vibration to relieve stress in the upper thighs and hips. Now, on the controller there are 2 red buttons at the top. The one on the left is for heat, the one on the right is to turn the device on and off. On the right of the device, it focuses on your back, where you can focus on your full back or your lower, and then there's an up button if you want to hit a specific spot. Then for your neck, there is a circle within a circle where you can pick which rotation you would like to have your neck kneaded in, and that goes as well where you can go all the way down and then pick which desired level up you want to have. You can also focus on different areas on your back and make that a target, and you can turn your seat on as well. It vibrates and provides a very nice comfortable vibration for you to sit in. Alright, so I'm going to turn it on so you know what it looks like in action. There we have the neck moving. Move it down. Move it up. And back. Where it'll work on all of it. Then if you hear that, I did turn the seat vibration on. Alright, so I'm going to turn heat on, which this part's actually kind of cool. You can tell when the heat's on because the balls on the back turn red, unlike when it's not. So I am going to sit down and enjoy this. Okay, so I turned it on and I am using it, and I will let you know that this is very, very comfortable. I have, back aches occasionally, and right now it feels so much nicer to have something rubbing my back. And same with the neck as well. It kneads and it hits the right spots, really. So what's great is if you have a long drive to take, you can pull over, use this in the car. There is a cigarette lighter adapter that comes with this, so you can enjoy this massage, maybe even fall asleep to it or something as well. There's a 15-minute automatic timer. There's no button for it. It's automatic. So, just for safety, or if you do end up falling asleep, it will turn off. This is the Naipo Shiatsu chair cushion massager, and it offers a comfortable therapeutic massage. Please check the description below to learn more about this product and find our various other social medias as well. Please hit the subscribe button and keep your likes and comments coming. Thanks for watching.